as you know, you can't get free ringtones on your iPhone, but I'm going to show you how you get free ringtones. So what you need to do is go into your iTunes library and pick a song that you want. Right, for example, I'm going to use Black Eyed Peas song, Boom Boom Pow, right? And what you need to do is you need to find a place in the song where you want it from, because you can only have 30 seconds of the song basically as a ringtone, which is a bit stupid. So what you need to do is you need to play the song and find a place in the song where you want, and you have to keep in mind the start points and end points of the 30 seconds. So I'm starting at a minute and it's going to end at a minute and a half. Okay, so that's what you need to do. Right, once you've placed the cursor and the bar where you want the song, like that, going to here, right click on the song and go to Get Info at the top. Right, so go to Get Info. Okay, and then when you're there, you go to Options, and then it will say Start Time and Stop Time. So I've started it at a minute and it's going to stop at a minute and a half. So obviously you only have 30 seconds. So you say OK to that. Right, and then what you need to do is you need to right click on the song again, and then you need to click on Create ACC version. Right, and then what it will do is it will create another one just underneath there where my cursor is. Right, now when that's done, you need to right click on it again and then go to Show in Windows Explorer. Click on that and it will load up this box. And then what it will do is it might at the start not show that at the end, and that actually says M4A at the end of it, so it's got Boom Boom Pow M4A at the end of it. If it doesn't show the M4A, you need to go into Tools, right, and then you need to go into Folder Options, okay, and then you need to go to View, and then there will be a little box here that says Hide extensions for known file types, which is just here, and you need to have that box unticked, otherwise it won't come up with what file type it is. Right, and basically it will say, mine says Boom Boom Pow M4A, okay, M4A. So click on that and you need to rename the folder. Right, and all you need to do is change the M4A to M4R, because that's the file that the iPhone uses for basically ringtones. So then once that's done, it will whinge at you and say, right, if you change this file then you might not be able to use it in the future, and you just say yes to that. Right, and then what you need to do is you need to go onto your desktop after you've done that. So you go onto your desktop in a minute, go across like that. Right, so shut that down, and then you need to basically put the song onto your desktop. So you can either copy it or you can drag and drop. So I'm going to copy the song and then I'm just going to paste it onto my desktop. Okay, so now I've got the song saved on my desktop. Right, and then you need to go back into your iTunes again once it's saved onto your desktop. Okay, and then you need to go into ringtones, which is just there, and there's my other ringtones. And then what you need to do is you need to drag and drop that song into iTunes. Okay, bear me 1 second. So you need to drag and drop that song into iTunes, is what you'll need to do. So you select the song, let me take it into iTunes. Okay, so now it's been put in there as a 30-second ringtone. Okay, so then all you do is obviously going to your iPhone, Right, and then I'm obviously going to go to my ringtone section, and then I've obviously got my marked, okay, and I've got Black Eyed Peas, Boom Boom Pow. You tick that because I want that song on my iPhone, for example, and then you just sync it. I've done that, you just apply it like so, and then obviously right, so basically go onto your iPhone, obviously got messages, and then you go into your settings, and then you go into sound settings, and then it will have ringtones, and then you'll see in the custom menu at the top, obviously alphabetical order, and it will have the song. And that's a 30-second clip I put on there earlier. So that's how you set it as a ringtone. And then it's just a ringtone, and that's how easy it is to add ringtones for free on the iPhone. Easy, simple, and done.